Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to be sharing some kitchen gadgets with you guys. This is a new segment that's on my channel. You guys know that I like to do my unboxing videos because I like technology and I like gadget. And this is one of these technologies that 99% of people, they don't even know what this is because it looks like a lightsaber from Star Wars, but it's not. It's actually an electronic wine opener. You basically hold it like this and you pop in bottles, guys, in no time. So one of the things that I do want to share with you guys, kind of like some of the things that these things do in this video. I hope you guys really like it. You'll be really surprised what this does here. Enjoy the video. I'm actually going to be talking about something that you're probably not thinking that I'm going to be talking about this before. You know, obviously you're looking at a wine opener here. Being that it's electrical wine opener, I do like technology, so I picked this thing up. Here's why. Every time somebody comes over to my house, like a guest that I haven't seen before, you know, they want to come visit me, sometimes they bring a bottle of wine. So I don't drink much wine or alcohol for that matter. I only use it for like making like barbecue and stuff like that because, you know, for the marinade itself. But every time I'm being asked, do you have a wine opener? I'm like, let me look, you know, and we're always like putting in like a screw and trying to pull it out like with like pliers and stuff like that. It's like really ghetto. So I kind of thought, you know what? I want to pick myself a wine opener. So I went on Amazon, start searching, and I see this. And I'm like, what? Electric wine opener? I've never seen anything like it. So I picked it up. So let's take a look inside. See what's inside. Wow, very nice unboxing experience here. We have several different things. But anyways, let's see this. And this is the only thing I understand. So, wow, you actually put the wine bottle inside of it here, and I guess you go, you know, it's supposed to like open it up. But hello guys, you will need to add some 4 AA type of batteries. So to add them, you just twist it open like this and start putting in some batteries. So here we go. Let's go ahead and place some batteries inside. You will want to make sure you follow the pattern. One does come with it. So once we put our batteries in, we'll need to go ahead and close it like that. And look at this. So anyways guys, to open it, you're gonna need to press this button. I could see the screw is actually spinning and it's gonna grab it and pop it out, and then actually it stopped. I guess it knows like when it actually pops. So let's try that again. It doesn't stop. So, and then if you want to twist it out, you actually hold this other piece. This is a very cool, definitely a really nice gadget to have in the kitchen. So now let's get to these things, guys. Believe it or not, guys, I can't believe they thought of everything. This here, it's actually a wine bottle foil opener. You throw this over top, twist it, you cut the foil right off. Then, of course, you're going to need to pop the wine bottle. You're going to be using this. Popped it open. Set that aside. Then you want to pour yourself a glass. Go ahead and actually stick this inside of the wine bottle and pour yourself a glass. Very nicely thought. And of course, you're going to need to store the wine bottle, so you're going to need to have a replacement cork. This is a replacement cork with a suction cup. So you like basically put some suction on it. It's going to get all the air out. Going to get a vacuum seal on it. And then boom, store it away. What a smart design. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's technology segment for the kitchens. Please come back again. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.